Hello guys, today we have 2015 Buick Verano and we will be replacing blower motor. So to start with, we will get the battery disconnected. So we will take 10mm socket and undo our negative battery cable. So the cable is out of the battery, now we can get inside the vehicle. To get to the motor we will need to remove the glove box, and to do that first we need to remove plastic box just underneath. It's two 10mm bolts, so one on this side, one on here, and we will be removing this plastic box. Looks like probably knee airbag or something like that. So let's get those 10mm nuts off and get the box out. So our airbag is down, and now we need to remove the wiring from it, and it has kind of unique connector. So you see this orange piece in the middle, so you need to take a pick and lift it out. So as you can see right now, I have it lifted. So when you have lifted it out, then you just pull entire connector out. Just like that. So now we can set it aside somewhere in the back seat so we don't damage it. So next we will remove this plastic piece. I'm just pulling it towards itself and out, just like that. And next we will remove 3 torx screws underneath. So next we will do 3 torx screws. So 1, 2, and 3, and that's T15. Next we will do 4 7mm bolts. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4 over there. So all 4 bolts are out, and now our glove box should come out. Just here we need to watch the light wiring, so we will rest it like that so we don't put too much pressure on the wire, and disconnect this. Actually we can probably, oh yeah, that works much better. So it just slides into here, and then to remove this there is a tab. Okay, I might need to use my 2 hands to do this. So here's the plug, and you need to press this tab and pull it out. Okay, those 3, and there is one more, and actually you can see it from here. So it just that leg over there. So when we look, it should be in that hole. So we'll get that one out too. So this is how it looks like. We had 1, 2, 3 bolts in here and 1 in here. So next looks like we need to remove this air channel. So here will be 1 bolt, and then it probably will just slide out of the main connection. Okay, so this air channel is loose now, but this bracket is on the way, so we'll need to remove 2 bolts, 10mm, one here and one here, to get this bracket out. Alright, so here is the bracket that we just removed. Now we can probably get this air channel Oh yeah. So now we have access to our motor. So next we will undo the plug. Just plug like that. And remove 1, 2, and 3 5.5 mil screws. And our motor piece of entire blower is out. So this is GM part. Here's probably the part number. Alright, let's check if we have the right new motor. Alright, so this is the new blower and the part number is 76933. It has a little bit deeper motor part, but the blower itself is the same. So let me get this blower in and all the pieces back. Alright, so the fan is in, 3 5.5 mil screws in, the plug is in, power plug, and the wires we just put through that bracket so they are in place, not hanging. So next what we will do, we will put that plastic air channel in and that metal bracket. So when you do that air channel, make sure that it's all the way in and attached to the main body on that side. And now we can do the bracket. So at this stage we have our bracket bolted on both sides, 10 mil bolts, and also the air channel screwed to the bracket with the 7 mil screw. So now we will get the plastic shield underneath, 1, 2, 3 long 7 mil screws and 1 short. So now we will get the cabin air filter in. So you just need to follow the arrow. It has to go down. That's how our airflow goes in. And to open this, just slides in, and then 1, 2, and 3. So the filter is in. So next we will hook up the power to the glove box light. Okay, I need to use 2 hands for this. So I'll hook up the power and then we'll put the glove box in and put those 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws in. So the airbag is connected to the power, and now we will screw in 3 torx screws just underneath the glove box, and then the airbag will go on top. Alright, so the airbag is attached. Last thing is to put this cover back, and when you do this you need to make sure that it goes behind the seal, same as this part. So I will get that one in. So this piece is in, and the last is we need to hook up the battery and the job is done. Thanks for watching guys, and do it yourself.